Lawpa, and me and my cousins are at the beach. So enjoy the video.
Look at these be brave like that.
I mean, well, they got pushed in, so.
Alright, then we should push each other in. You ready? Should we push each other in? Do I want to do this?
No, that's what I was thinking.
I'm second thinking now. Aww. Come on, sissy. Let's show them we're brave enough. Blanket, the underwear, everything. When we jump in, the fish gonna jump out. That's how strong we are. Yeah, I want to come in, but the cold water's not letting me. No. Chica and I gonna push each other in. Chica and I will push each other in. Ready?
At least you're going. No. Yeah. I'm gonna jump in already.
Oh my. Yeah, let him.
We don't want them to get wrong.
My feet.
Now you gotta all go 90.
Ooh.
No, I'm fine. I know how to.
Come on, Sissy. Go in, I'll go after you. I'll jump in after you.
We're moving inch by inch.
Slowly.
Slowly but surely.
Inch by inch.
I mean, in Grish before, but it was pretty long, and then when you put your feet all the way down again. Good job, Chatxu.
I know, he's pulling.
There you go. Good job.
Okay, here you go. You're right, it is warmer when you let it go, huh?
I'm going to go in the water.
Go where it's clean. Go where it's clear.
I want to wear it.
No, I'm going.
No, I'm going to go to the deep part.
Okay, ready? Let's go first. Okay. I gotta find the clear one.
Ooh, look at all we at the dock. Let's go sit by them. They can't get up. Yeah. Yep. Yep. In this part, she went in, she won't win up. Because the wind's going over us. I'm just gonna walk to where the kids are.
Chatxu! Chatxu! Right here. Hold on, wait. Yep. Wow!
Yay!
Wait for your brother. Move out of the way.
Come on, back up.
Number 10.
Yeah, I got your back flip. I got it.
I just did. So much rocks. Tell me about it. I saw you standing over there and I was like, copying Daddy, now copying you. How many fish did you guys catch? A lot. You guys didn't even count. Those are huge.
Yeah.
I caught 3. Andru, how much did you catch?
4 or 5.
You got 49. Probably.
1, 2, 3.
Hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to share this to other friends, you can.